Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2021 set 2 question number 50. Let S be a set of consisting of 10 elements. The number of tuple of the form AB such that A and B are subset of S and A is also subset of B is dash. A is subset of S, B is subset of S, also A is subset of B. Now in tail element, how many these tuples are possible, that we need to check. We can solve this question in different way. I will solve in two methods. Method 1, I am considering just one element for S. So S cardinality equal to 1, S contains just A. Now what A will contain, what B will contain. When A will be 5, B can be 5. When A 5, B can be simply A, and both A, B can be A. 5 is subset of 5, 5 is subset of A, as empty set is subset of every set, and A can be subset of A. So there are three possible tuple is possible when S length equals to 1. So number of tuple equals to 3. We can say 3 power 1. When S cardinality equal to 2, let S contain A and B. Now what set A and B can contain? Both can contain 5. Then 5A, 5B, 5AB. In all four cases, set A is subset of set B, set A is subset of S, set B is subset of S. Next, it can have A in both set A, set B, then AB, A is subset of AB, then B is subset of AB, then B can be subset of B itself, then both set can contain AB, AB. So if we'll count total 4, 4, 8 plus 1, 9. And 9 we can write as 3 power 2. So from this we got an idea that what will be S cardinality, number of tuple will be 3 power S cardinality. So for S cardinality 1, number of tuple possible is 3 power 1. For S cardinality 2, number of tuple possible is 3 power 2. So when S cardinality equals to 10, the number of tuples possible equals to 3 power 10, and 3 power 10 equals to 59049. So answer will be this 59049. This is one method. Let me solve in another method too. So we want a order pair AB such that A is subset of S, B is subset of S, and A is subset of B. So for every element X of set S, we have three choice. Means X doesn't belongs to A, X doesn't belongs to B, that is choice 1. Then choice 2, X doesn't belongs to A but X belongs to B. Like this. Here X doesn't belongs to A but X belongs to B. Here in first case X doesn't belongs to A or B. Then choice 3, X can belongs to A and X can belongs to B, like this. Even this set, X belongs to A, also X belongs to B. So for every X there are three choice. First, it doesn't belongs to either A or B. Then second, it doesn't belongs to A but belongs to B. Third, it belongs to both A and B. As there are three choice, so answer will be 3 power S cardinality. Here S contains 10 elements, so S cardinality equals to 10, 3 power 10. So answer will be 59049. I already discussed subset, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.